He needs more touches. I know
Alexa, when is the last time the Cowboys won the Super Bowl?
Dallas Cowboys won the Super Bowl in 1996.
87, he's dynamic. Gain of 14.
Alexa, play Prime Music.
Playlist you might like on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play my Coffee House playlist from Spotify in all common areas.
Coffee House from Spotify.
Hybrid wireless is an exciting new option for whole house audio. If the inability to run cable across your home was preventing you from enjoying a high-performing whole house audio experience, you are now in luck. With hybrid wireless, zones are wired within each room and without the need to run cable to a central location. And those zones can be wirelessly grouped together to play the same audio source in sync when needed throughout your home. A hybrid wireless system combines the custom aesthetic and performance of a powerful amplifier, in-ceiling speakers, and a ceiling-mounted voice assistant with streaming audio from many of the most popular services like Spotify, TuneIn, and Pandora. You can also add a second audio source that is unique to every zone. What makes hybrid wireless possible is a voice assistant device which you purchase separately and add to the hybrid wireless kit provided by HTD. We highly recommend the Amazon Echo Dot or Echo Input because of their low cost, great features, and built-in audio output. The Google Home Mini offers similar features but does not provide the audio output necessary for a hybrid wireless solution. Step 1. Determine the best location within the room to place the amplifier. Because the amplifier is compact, it can be placed on a nightstand, bookshelf, or even hidden under a bed or behind a TV. Once installed, you will rarely access it. Step 2. Run speaker cable between your speakers and the amplifier. And run a Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable between the amplifier and the location in the ceiling or wall in which you will install the voice assistant device. Step 3. Use the templates included with your speakers and voice assistant mounting kit to cut the holes in your ceiling or wall. Step 4. Connect the adapter cables to your Cat cable. This allows you to both power the voice assistant device and send the audio out of the device into the amplifier. Step 5. Install the voice assistant device and the voice assistant mounting kit. Step 6. Install your speakers and connect the speaker cables to the speakers and amplifier. Step 7. Connect the RCA connections from the voice assistant mounting kit to input 1 on the amplifier and power it on. Step 8. Plug the power cable from the voice assistant mounting kit into an electrical outlet. Wait for the voice assistant device to power up and follow its instructions for adding it to your Amazon account and Wi-Fi network. Step 9 is optional. Connect a second audio source, such as a TV, gaming system, or media player to input 2 on the amplifier. Now that you are connected, here are some ways to use your system. Ask Alexa to stream music. If you have an Amazon Prime account, you already have the ability to stream from Prime Music. You can also link your Spotify, TuneIn, SiriusXM, Pandora, and other accounts to your Amazon account to stream those services. Play your second audio source. This can be any source with a variable analog audio signal. Variable means that the volume can be controlled from this second source. Examples would be the variable audio output from a TV, a gaming system, or second streamer or media player. Ask Alexa a question or issue a command. You can ask for the time, the weather, current events, or ask her to control your home automation devices. You will hear Alexa's response and return to your audio source after an amount of time you specify using the delay dial on the amp.
Alexa, what is the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 41 degrees.
you can expand a single zone into a whole house system by simply installing multiple hybrid wireless kits throughout your home. With multiple kits, you can use the Alexa app to group multiple Echo devices together. This allows you to play a source in sync in multiple rooms. You can also take advantage of other Alexa features, such as drop-in, which essentially allows you to intercom between rooms.
Hey everyone, it's dinner time.
In summary, don't let the inability to run cables across your home prevent you from enjoying a built-in whole home audio experience. With HTD's hybrid wireless kit, you can install an outstanding solution for one or all of the rooms in your home.